Everybody, in today's video I am super excited. I'm a little bit sick, so I do apologize. I was contacted by a company called BettyCora to share a press-on nails trial for you guys. So I've never tried these before. There's some really cool designed press-on nails. BettyCora has a website. I'll link it down below. They have tons of different designs, different nail shapes, different lengths, and it's a really fun way to sort of get the salon decorative acrylic look at home. So I'm going to be showing you guys my first time trying these, see what we think. I have my nails long still, so I will be putting them on my nails as is like this. So wish me luck. But in this little kit, you get all kinds of stuff. So let's go ahead and open it. So the first thing you're going to see is you get all these nails in a bunch of different sizes, which is really fun because you have to like size yourself out. Then next in the kit, you get a little press-on nail getting started guide. And let's see what's in this. So you get pretty much everything that's included in the kit. Then you get a how to use, and this says way 1. So I'm taking that to mean there are 2 ways. Yeah, and then here's going to be way 2. Then you remove, there's a removal instruction here. And we will see how it works. Let's look at what comes in the kit. So we have the false tips. You're going to get 24 false tips, a nail glue, a wooden stick, a mini nail file, alcohol cotton pads, and then jelly adhesive pads. So way 1 here, they're talking to polish and shape the false nails with a mini nail file. So you could see mine already decorated, so they don't need to be polished. Using sticks to push back the nail cuticle. File your nail to remove surface oil. Clean nail with alcohol cotton, then keep it dry. Select and stick the jelly adhesive on the nail. Wear the nails and press it hard for 10 to 20 seconds. Well, that seems pretty foolproof. And then next up, we're going to, on the way 2, it's saying polish and shape the false nail with a mini file. Use the sticks to push the nail cuticle. File your nail to remove surface oil. Clean nail with alcohol cotton, then keep it dry. Apply nail glue to nail tips. Wear the nails and press hard for 10 to 20 seconds. So I guess you can do either nail glue or the jelly tips. So this is what the jelly tips look like. Kind of interesting. I've never tried these before. And then the bottle of glue. I have put on press-on nails with just traditional glue before. Let's see the removal process here. So remove nail glue. Way 1. Pour some acetone or polish remover into a bowl. Soak your nails into acetone or polish remover for a few minutes to dissolve glue. A few minutes later, you could try to take off the fake nail easily. Way 2. Lift the nail piece along the edge. Pour glue off remover into the gap between artificial and natural nails. Wait for 10 to 15 minutes to dissolve the glue and gently peel off. Way 3. Fill a bowl with warm water. Grab a gentle dish soap and turn the water nice and bubbly. Soak your fingers into the water for a few minutes to dissolve the glue. Use a stick and slowly pry the fingers apart or scrape off any remaining glue on the nails. Tips for you. Before pressing on the nails, please make sure your nails are clean, buffed, and slightly dried out with all oils removed. Apply the jelly adhesive to your nail. Push it to the edge, then peel off the protective sheet and press the false nail firmly for at least 10 to 20 seconds. Do not apply the nail glue on every finger before pressing on the nails. Do them one at a time because the glue will dry fast. That seems like the most important tip. When applying the nail glue on the false nails, you can also apply a light coat of nail glue to your natural nail very gently. It can help coverage the nails and keep long lasting, but avoid contact with the cuticle. When finished the process of wearing the nails, please do not touch water at least 2 to 4 hours. It helps the false nails last longer. When removing press-on nails, do not force the nails or pull nails off. It may hurt your nails. Please be patient when removing the nails. All right, y'all, let's see. So let's start sizing them out. Which one am I going to do? Should I do the glue or the jelly press-on? I think I'm going to do the jelly press-on just because I've never tried this before. And so I'm not totally sure what you're supposed to do. So I'm going to peel this up and just see if it's sticky. No. Okay, so the protective, there's like a plastic over these things. And then the protective cover is still like here. So let me see if there's a picture of this in here. Yeah, there is. It's right here. So you're going to select. Let me zoom in. You're going to select and stick the jelly adhesive on the nail. I don't know. Wish me luck. So let's size out the nails first. That seems like the first step is getting the right sizes for all the nails. These are really long and cute, which I like. Well, I'm like way zoomed in there, sorry. Okay, so I have some pretty small little nail beds. And so that seems to be a good fit there on that one for the pinky. You can see like it's really close up against the cuticle line. You can tell that it's it doesn't look super fake. And then I love the length on this. We'll see how I type at work on Monday, but that looks nice. And then okay, so I'm going to go again with this length for the ring finger. Again, it just looks like it fits really close to the cuticle, which I like. Third nail. That one's pretty. So then I'm going to do with the third nail. And I need something for my pointer. So I'm going to go with this one for the thumb. And then I just need a pointer nail here. Let's see. Oops. That's a little too big. That seems a little too big. I don't know if I'm gonna find enough sizes for my nails. Okay, so I think I have those all sized out. I'm gonna match the hearts to be on both third nail, and they both fit, so that works. Okay, so those are the nails I'm gonna be using. You can see everything's kind of a little bit different, but pretty. Oh, you can't even see anything. So that's gonna be the right hand of nails here. And then this is gonna be the left, or actually left hand, right hand. So I'm gonna get this out of the way. And then the tips of these nails do need a little bit of filing, so I am gonna file down because they do have a little bit of like a rough edge. So I'm just gonna get in there and kind of file that rough edge down on all of them really gently so I don't take off any of the design. Okay. They don't all need it, or actually they kind of do. Just the smallest little filing right here just to kind of get everything nice and smooth. That must have something to do with the way that they're manufactured, I'm guessing. That they have that kind of little rough edge there. But it files out really easy. Okay. My cuticles are already pushed back, but there is this little stick here to push back the cuticles some more. Be really gentle with this, you guys, because you can tear up your cuticles with it if you're not gentle. Also, I would recommend using a cuticle remover during this step to just kind of take off the dead cuticle skin. But just be really gentle. Go around nice and slow so you don't tear your cuticles and cause any like infection or anything. Yeah, just real nice and gentle. So I'm just kind of gonna, I guess I'm doing it anyway. But yeah, and then usually when I push back cuticles, I do put a little bit of oil, but my hand's already oily, so I have some residual oil. And then you'll just go ahead and take that oil off in the next step with the alcohol pad. So I kind of like this stick. I might save it for after this is done. Usually I push back my cuticles with my opposite nail. But this actually is kind of nice. Okay, so that step is done. And then I'm going to take out the alcohol pad. And I'm just going to clean my nails because I did put some oil on them. And it says not to have any kind of oils. And to have your nails kind of dried out. So I'm just going to get this and wipe along the nail. Get all that nail oil off that I had on. Kind of just get in there and get everything off that nail. Make the nail plate real nice and clean. And I'll do it one by one. Make sure I do a really good job. Okay, so there's that. If you get really rough with that cuticle pusher, you may have some issues with that burning as well, just an FYI. So this is the part I'm nervous about, is these little pads. I'm not really sure how this works. I'm always wondering if I should just use the glue, but I feel like this pad is something new, so I'm gonna try it. Okay. So this appears here to be the smallest pad, so that's the one I'm gonna pick. And it said to just get it really lined up with the cuticle line, which I feel like I have. So there's how that's gonna look. And then I'm kind of smushing it down so it covers the nail. Then I'm going to take this cover off, I think. Okay, here we go. It's coming off, it's coming off. Okay, then it says to stick the nail and hold for 20 seconds. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I think we'll go extra 10. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. So there we go. It's stuck on there. There's a little tiny bit that's kind of like too big for the nail, so I'm just gonna pull it. Well, that looks pretty cute. Okay. I think I'm gonna need that smaller size again for my ring finger, so I'm gonna go ahead and grab that one again. And again, just get it as close to the cuticle as you can. And kind of rub it in. And make sure that it kind of covers the nail. And then you peel off. Oh goodness, that didn't stick on that great. Okay, then you peel off the protective cover. And then you put on the nail. Oh, that wasn't the one I wanted. Be careful about that. And then I'm going to go ahead and hold that one on again for the 30 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. So there's 2 nails down. So I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of these off camera, and then I'll come back and show you what they look like now that we have an idea of what we're doing. Okay, that took a little bit of time, but overall, you guys, I really think they're super cute. What do you all think? I don't know how long they'll last because again, I've never really tried this kind of nail before, but overall, I am very happy right now. I don't know how I'm gonna text and type and all that, but I'm feeling it. I am totally feeling it. So let me know what y'all think. This is the other hand. I have a crooked finger here, so that's just life. I know it looks crooked, but my finger and nail is actually crooked there, so that's the way it rolls. But overall, I think these are super cute. I'm really excited. I like them. I'm happy. So I'm going to be taking some pictures with these and I'll be posting them to my Instagram. I'll have all the information for BettyCora down below, including the code or the link to order this exact set. I have a few other sets that I'll show on Instagram in case y'all are interested, and let me know what you guys think. I'm excited. So that's it for this video. If you guys liked it, please make sure to click the like button down below. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do. And thanks you guys for watching. I will see y'all in the next video. Hope you're having an amazing night. Bye.